Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and a viewer, subscriber that's helped me a couple of times, sent me a couple of notes. First of all, he says right down in here in 2018, they put a little zoom tool. I don't have 2018, and evidently they've taken it away. I've never noticed it. But he did have a couple of comments, and he had a question. His question was, you can always, instead of going up here to the zoom tool, you can hit the Z and you get the zoom tool. But his question was, he never could figure out how to get it back to the pick tool. Well, all you have to do is hit the space bar and you get it back. And then if you hit the space bar again, it's going to hit the magnifying glass or the zoom tool again, because it teeter-totters between the two. So I'm just hitting the space bar and you can go back and forth with your last tool. If you draw a rectangle and hit the space bar, you get the pick tool. If you hit the space bar again, you got the rectangle tool. So you can, in his other suggestion, if you go to the magnifying or the zoom tool and right click on here, you can go down to zoom. It'll bring up a floating zoom window. Everything is up here, the exact same thing, but you've got to have the magnifying glass or the zoom tool selected when you're doing that. I'm going to hit the space bar and get our pick tool. So our floating window is still there if you needed it moved over or close. So you can zoom in or out. You can move, zoom to everything on the page, which is kind of disturbing because I don't think there's anything else on this page except for that. So it really ought to just, let me hit F4. Yep. So that particular one, oh, it's Shift F4, which is zoom to page. So I'm going to go Shift F4. And it brings up our entire page. You can go to page width. You can go to page height. And of course, it's telling you your zoom. So if you wanted to zoom in 100%, you could zoom in there. I always like F4 because it'll zoom in to whatever's on your page. And then if you zoom in all the object is F4. Zoom into selected, which is Shift F2. So if I want to zoom into this box that I drew, I'm going to hit the space bar and get the pick tool. I'm going to select that box. I'm going to Shift select F2, and it just brings up that box. So that's pretty cool. When you need to zoom up to something you want to look at, we're going to select this, Shift F2. Just bring that up. And then when you are through with this, all you have to do is, there is a way to pull that out and have it up here all the time. But just if you will zoom, hit the zoom, right click and open a zoom. And it's the same thing with any of them. You can right click, you can open a text bar and there'll be a text bar, Arial, whatever, all the time. Instead of like right now, there's nothing up there because we don't have the text selected. So just kind of right click in any of these, transformation, macros, internet, wheel device, tool panel, project timer. You can have a timer. I don't know where I put it. But anyway, that's all a little bit more information about the zoom tool. So don't forget, hit your space bar and get your pick tool back. And then you can move this out of the way, hit your zoom tool and you got your zoom back. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.